small, how they used to cultivate rice.
Yeah.
They used to have the paddy field. And my mother never want us to go at nights because it's night. They always prepare what they call it, a carry-on. It's a piece of land and they plaster it with cow dung.
Right.
The Indian women always go and do that. They plaster it with cow dung and they cut the rice and pad it all the way around the carry-on.
Right.
You know, like this round table here
Yeah.
now, they put it right at the edge.
Okay.
And after, when they have enough rice on, everybody have a piece of stick, big piece of stick. And they started beating the rice to get the rice off the husk.
All right. What do you call it?
Flagging or beating. And then they started to sing, Ilangoli, Ilangoli Rido, Ilangoli. Them down low, Ilangoli.
But I didn't know what it was from. See, different parts of the island, you have different
Yeah,
things.
and then now, after they trash the rice for a certain period of time, they take out the trash and leave the rice, and somebody gather up the rice and put it in a big, what you'd call it, blue seam bag. And then they put more rice on and flag it. But during that time, somebody's around the corner cooking. And they're cooking big food, you know.
That's unsafe.
They're cooking big food like curry goat and rice. And they have rum as well.
Oh, they always have rum.
Yeah.
Gotta have some rum.
You don't
And-
have nothing in Jamaica that you don't have
Have
rum.
rum. And they, when they do, sometime it go on all night until daylight, you know, until they get rid of the rice that they want, that they have cut and have to flag off. And then next morning, you know, they bag it up and take it to where they have to go. Different people, different places.